Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to week 4 of Heather's Handmade Hallow Hop. So this is where we are doing a collaboration every Saturday in the month of October, creating Halloween themed projects. So far we have done an embellishment box, a tag flip, we've made our altered hoop, and this week we have filled our altered hoop with some embellishments. So as you can see, this is the hoop that I made with the tassel on the bottom, and it's filled here. I haven't finished packaging them. I haven't put the bag toppers and things on yet. I've just run out of time. Today is in fact my birthday, so happy birthday to me. So I have been celebrating with my family, and we've had some doorstep visits from people bringing lovely flowers and chocolate, and my daughter bought me a very special gift, which I will share with you guys in another video. So I haven't had as much time as I would have liked to get this finished today, and work was, as always, manic last week. But I will get them all packaged up properly so that when they go out to Jenny, they will all be finished off. I have also got a couple of little goodies to go in here, but I'm not going to show those, so they're a surprise for Jenny when she gets them. But what I probably will do is I will show it all on the final video next week. Because hopefully Jenny will have her package by then, because once I've got the final project finished in the next couple of days, I'm going to post it out to her, so she might get a sneak peek, you never know. So what have I done for embellishments? I've made quite a few. As most of you know, I love creating embellishments, and I did get my craft on over the last a few evenings, and this morning I have been playing as well. So if I pull them out, and I'll show you them, I have actually got the prototypes off to one side so that you don't have to keep looking at the glare of the packaging. So I'll just move the hoop, and we will pull the embellishments out. So to start off with, I made these witches cauldrons with the brooms. So I've got a little tiny one because my prototype I did quite small, but then I decided to size it up for the actual embellishments because I like them slightly bigger. So I've taken some printed ephemera. I've run it through with the matte laminating pouch to get rid of the not get rid of the shine, because it wasn't shiny, to stop it from the colour from bleeding. Oh, I can't talk. Yeah, so I ran it through with that. It makes it a little bit sturdier as well, which is nice. I've then fussy cut everything out. I stamped the spider on the little candle, and I've put some puffy paint in the cauldron, so it's actually textured the potion that's in the cauldron. And then I've covered that in green and clear stickles, and I've put some clear stickles on the flame of the candle as well. So that's those ones. I then did these really super cute little bat bows with their googly eyes. So I've got one of these over here. So this was my little prototype. Ooh. I think he's so cute. So it's just a little bat in the background. I've put some tiny little googly eyes on him. I've made the little bow for his tummy, and then I've put this really lovely purple sparkly oblongy gem in the centre there. On the ones that I've made for Jenny, I've actually made the bat in the background out of a black glitter card. I did try it where it was all in glitter card, and that just felt like a little bit too much. That was a little bit too plain. So on these ones I've gone half and half, and we've got the glitter in the background, and then we've got the plain for the actual bow, which I think is super cute. Next I made some rosettes. So I made a little pack of these vintage style rosettes. So they are these really cute little black rosettes that I've created. They're quite small ones, which is nice. I've put a little bit of that trim that came from AliExpress in the background there. It looks a bit like spider web. I've made a little banner which I've stamped Boo on and put some little gems on, and then I've made a vintage bottle cap. So I've squashed bottle caps in my big shot, and then I've taken some little 1-inch circles, and I've put some of the resin stickers over the top to make those. I have also made some really super cute little dangles, so made in a similar style. So these are the ones that I got from BB Crafts, the little bezels and the cabochons that go, the glass cabochons that go inside. And again, I've used the same vintage ephemera to create the beautiful little centres. And then I've made some beaded dangles just out with some beads out of my beads out of my bead box. So that was my prototype one, which you might have seen on a previous video. So the charm actually does dangle, and I'll use all the little prototype ones when I'm actually packaging up. So we've got one of my painted skeletons, so I just thought he was a cute little addition to the hoop. He will just be hanging out the side of the hoop. I did some witches hats, some really lovely little witches hats. So these are actually little clips. They've got little pegs on the inside. So we've got those, and I've cut this out of the black sparkly cardstock. I've made some tiny little orange and cream flowers, and I've got this gorgeous green sequin trim around the brim of the hat and some little leaves, and I just thought they were so cute. They're maybe my favourite out of the lot. I love them. So I've got 3 of those, and then finally I thought you can't have your witch's hat without having your witch's broomsticks. So I've made some really cute little broomsticks, and for those I just used a little piece of dowel that I cut down, and then some garden twine just wrapped around my fingers, and then I trimmed the top off, put some hot glue on the stick and forced it down in, and then snipped the bottom, wound round with a bit more of the twine, and then I've just put some coordinating little flowers on so that the hat and the broomstick match and coordinate. Yeah, and I just thought they were so cute together. So that is the embellishments that I have made to go in Jenny's loaded hoop. Like I say, I've got to put bag toppers and things on them yet, and I will do that in the next day or two. And then next week is the final week on Halloween itself, and we will be creating whatever we want because it's crafter's choice. So that's it. I hope you've enjoyed a look at my embellishments. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing so that you can see all of the crafty goodness that I get up to. So that's it from me for now. Please don't forget to go and hop along to all the other ladies in this collaboration. I've already been watching some of the videos and they are absolutely phenomenal. There is so much inspiration out there. Go along and see what they've all been creating. I'll see you back for the final part next week, and we'll take a quick look at everything that I made through the collaboration and my final project. So that's it from me for now. I'll see you all again very soon in another crafty video. Bye for now.